Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Shane, aka Crypto Dragon, aka Mega Man, aka Art Boy. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? We're here with episode 3 of About Life. So we're gonna talk about crypto. We're gonna talk about wallets. We're gonna talk about where to find coins. We're gonna talk about where to find NFTs, how to look at NFTs in your wallet. We're gonna talk about exchanges. I got 2 exchanges for y'all. The crypto world probably gonna criticize me over this video because they're gonna these guys are ridiculously technical. They're gonna freaking tear me apart, but it's okay. I'm here for y'all beginners. I'm here for people that haven't done this before. So this is just a quick little overview to get y'all started. We don't need this to be super technical and super crazy. I just want to be able to get y'all into some platforms and get y'all some stuff set up so you can access some opportunities quick and easy. Okay, so we're gonna start right here with MetaMask. This is MetaMask, a good wallet. When you type it into Google, right, do not go for the ad stuff. Do not go for the stuff that has the ads, right? You're going to go right here to metamask.io. You're going to click on it, right? We're going to let it load up. You're going to go right over here and you're going to download it. You're going to download it. It's going to pop up with a screen talking about extensions. An extension is over here in your Google Chrome. Make sure you do this in Google Chrome, by the way. Do this in Google Chrome because it's going to pop up with your extensions right here. You see this? These are all my wallets that I have. When you want to access a wallet without having to constantly sign in and stuff like that, you can just click on the pin and they'll allow you to access your wallet, right? For our sake, I'm going to do Phantom Wallet just because I want to show y'all some stuff. But when you do download this, make sure you have something handy to write down. It's going to ask you for a secret code, a secret phrase that you're gonna have to make sure you write down because it's gonna want you to repeat it back to you. So when you sign up, you're gonna create a little. You have the email address, blah 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 blah. Like you do with anything else. You sign up for it. You're gonna download the exchange, and then it's gonna open up our wallet. It's gonna look kind of like this over here. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. We got you can go over here. You can create an account, and that'll bring you right into an exchange system. And you log in there, and then we're gonna go more in depth on that stuff later on. Right now, I'm just trying to get y'all to the sites to get stuff done. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get more technical with it later on in the channel. We'll have other videos that I go specifically into exchanges and show you how to use an exchange. We're gonna show you how to use SolSea and OpenSea and NFT platforms. We're gonna show you exactly how to use wallets and all that stuff. That's for whole other videos. I'm gonna release complete videos on these topics. I want y'all to know easily how to access stuff. I don't want y'all just having to come back to the specific video and cut through to get to places. No, I'm going to have videos made specifically for that stuff. So don't worry, okay? This video is just to show you an introduction on where we're going, okay? So now if you go over here, we got crypto.com. Same concept. No ads. Do not do ads. Crypto.com right here. This is one of my favorite exchanges. It's very useful on your phone. This is very useful, extremely useful on the phone. I would much rather use crypto.com on my phone, and then I use FTX on my laptop. Depends on what you use. I think crypto.com is very useful on the phone. So if you're a mobile person and you don't really mess with laptops that much, crypto.com is a way for you. You can use FTX on your phone as well. It is accessible and it's very useful as well. No sweat, no hating on FTX. FTX is incredible. I love that exchange. It's amazing. But I do use crypto.com a lot more. But I think FTX might have less fees with certain stuff. It varies. It changes so much. But you got those 2 exchanges that you could use highly. I'm going to show you how to get a couple more wallets because all we have here is just MetaMask. You download MetaMask, get the extension. Let's go show you how to get Phantom. Basically the same concept. You're going to come down here, you're going to type in Phantom. See Phantom Wallet. Type it right in. It's going to be the same concept. See Phantom app. You're going to go right here. You're going to go to downloads. And it's going to be the same concept. It's going to be the same concept. It's going to show you, see, right here, downloadable. You can get it on your phone. And you can get it on your thing. That's another good thing about Phantom and MetaMask. You do not have to use these on your laptop. They are completely accessible and highly useful on your phones. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an Apple. They're both very useful, okay? The only difference when it comes to crypto and NFTs with these things is Apple is a lot better with augmented reality. Believe it or not, Android haters, you can hate it all you want. Apple is built for these augmented reality joints. I'm telling you, I'm going to go heavy on augmented reality with my artwork really, really soon, so prepare for that. But when it comes to Zed Run, which I'll tell you more about that later, which is my digital horse racing, that's only accessible on the Android. Okay, so that's why I have two phones. Both of my phones are for two different things. Very useful. But yeah, let's go explore coin market cap since we're here a little bit more, and you could look at some coins and stuff and look at how you access stuff. We'll go to we'll go to Solana. Why not? We'll go to Solana. Let it load up real quick. See, this is what it's going to look like when you're researching. This is a good tool to help you research the coins before you buy them if you want to go into trading or investing in tech. Because these are all technologies. So if you want to do some investing, CoinMarketCap might be your best friend to start. You're going to go a million times deeper than this. You're going to go into Solana's website, everything. Like they have a website right here you can go into. You know, it shows their token, how much it's valued at. Shows the market cap down here. You know, you got market cap right there, and then you can go down here and get a quick chart. I would prefer if you go to Trading View, which I'll show you that another time if you want to look more in depth into real live charting. But this is a quick little chart to show you a little idea on what's going on with the project. But most importantly, which this is kind of important as well, shows you how much a dollar is worth when it comes to coin. But this is the most important thing down here when you scroll all the way down. All right, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Solana Markets or any coins marketplace. This is where you're going to buy all your coins right here. These places are going to show you Binance, Coinbase. Stay away from that. FTX, all that. KuCoin, amazing exchange. I'll show you that another time as well. Very great, very great. You know, you'll love these right here. These are just basically it's just pairs. It's showing you what you're gonna need to get the coin. Like if you go on Binance, which we're not allowed on here in the U.S., you got to go to Binance.us. Wouldn't really recommend it, but you can use that as well. But it's basically saying you're gonna need USDT, which is Tether coin. USDT Tether is basically what you're gonna need to buy some Sol. But see, you here on Coinbase. You need USD, which is US dollar, can get you Sol. You can buy it with your own money. Same with down here. And these are just some of the exchanges. You can go right over here to all see all markets, and there's a crap ton of them, man. Look at this. Solana is a big project. Solana is huge. And these are all the exchanges, by the way. All these over here on the side right here. These are all exchanges that can be used to access cryptocurrencies, and a crap ton of these have their own things going on, their own partnerships with NFT projects, all types of stuff going on, man. dApps, you know, which is, you know, the decentralized applications, all that good stuff. So you got all types of stuff going on here. Like these are all exchanges. See all this exchanges and pairs? It's crazy, man. Like people think it's just a small little thing. This is, you know, I've been messing with this for a while. I'm learning every day. With y'all, I'm gonna be learning stuff. I'm still learning stuff, right? It's absolutely incredible. Like if you looked at these are just wallets that I have in here, and all these wallets have NFTs and coins and certain things that I put in them that are accessible for each network. You know what I'm saying? Because Phantom is on the Solana network, right? Soulflare is on the XRP network. Stargazer is on Constellation DAG's network, and Terra Station is on Terra Luna network, and then you got a CeeLo network. But MetaMask, most of them can all access other networks on their wallets. They allow you to do that. You just got to add the network. You know, I wish we'll talk more about that later on too. Take it easy, no rushing. Okay, you can watch some of the other videos that are going to be coming up that I'm going to be making that will go more into details. Okay, I'm just trying to let y'all know what's going on. Remember, take it easy. We're going to get there. Okay, patience. I need y'all to be patient. I need y'all to take your time. I need y'all to remember, this is only going to be life-changing if you're willing to change your life. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to just, you're not going to just wake up one day and just, everything just changes up and everything's, you know, your life is freaking amazing. You know, you got to put the work in. You got to put the steps on. You know, I slept 2 hours today just so I could wake up and make sure I have all the software downloaded, and make sure I'm able to access these videos. And then I got to go work my 9 to 5 at 7 o'clock to 7 in the morning. And then I'll come home, I'll sleep for a couple hours, and I got to go pick up my kids from school and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be able to put the work in, man. You can't be lazy if you want things to happen. But I believe in y'all. I do. I believe in each and every one of y'all. If you're here watching these videos, that means you're special. And that means you're really hungry to make something happen. And I'm going to do whatever I can to help you make something happen. I'm going to do whatever I can. But what I do need you to do is follow, subscribe, and share these videos so other people like you have the ability to access this content and help change their lives as well. You know what I'm saying? We need to work together here. And if you do need help, if you want to become a creator like me, similar to what I'm trying to do, I'm not there yet. I'm making my moves. It's gonna take me a long time. I'm starting to learn all these things. It's so much information. I wish I had somebody that already knew how to do all this stuff, but fortunately I don't. So I got to do it myself. So, but yeah, you know, I really do hold this stuff with a passion, and this is not nowhere near what we're going to touch on, man. Soon I'm going to be bringing other people up in here. We're going to be having meetings and all types of stuff going on, talking about this stuff, actually being live and showing people live how to do things. It's just a matter of time, man. You know, a matter of time. It will come. But I just want to say I love all y'all. I love each and every one of you. And keep pushing forward, keep learning, keep watching these videos. I got a lot of stuff coming. Just be patient, all right? Be patient with me. I got you. I love you, and I'm going to be working hard to bring you all this content you need to help you access something better in your life and bring you a lot more opportunities. Give me some time. Now, stay safe, keep your head up, and good luck, and keep pushing. Let's roll.